hit the like button, hit the subscribe button right now. I'm on the road for 50 subscribers, okay? That's all I want is 50 subscribers.
Today I'm on Roblox Storage, and I'm with my cousin Zion.
My cousin. Yeah.
And now I'm just doing anything on my fly I just brought.
Can't remember. I want 50 subscribers.
Or maybe today's video I should make a house video since I
So I just want 50 subscribers so I can do a face reveal.
Probably the top floor because I got 5 floors.
So this is my cousin's second plot. Her first house is.
No, don't mind this black house.
Shout me out, Morgan. Time my thing. Subscribe to ZionPlay. So y'all. Y'all, I want to tell y'all something. I'm working on my editing. Morgan a pro at editing, okay? She is a pro. I'm not that good at editing. It's because the thing I really use to edit. I don't got a movie like some people. I have to use this thing called, I don't know what it's called, but it's not even important. That's why I ain't gonna say it, because I might think it's a sponsor. You think I'm gonna be shouting it out. No, I'm not sponsoring from my thing, so I'm not really gonna say it. As I remember it, but this is what I remember. So my cousin is making me like a haunted house or something like that. She's a very good builder. As you see her plot 1 before, her plot 1 is amazing. Since this is like her third video she ever made, so like she might have like, you might not see her house yet, but in the future. Y'all, if y'all like it, y'all can add me to One Only Ray Lewis. Since I'm not a popular YouTuber, so like if you see this video, please subscribe and hit that like button and hit notifications. First, I'm gonna start making like I'm a daily uploader. So if you can really like my videos, I would love that. My friend is coming down, bumping. Oh, yeah. If y'all want to see my house today, it's not even like a house. It's like just like a little starter house. It's right here. It's not everything, but it's something.
Come on, Lord.
It's like a little something.
You going?
Yes. And so, a little TV.
What'd you say?
She's staying here.
Okay. I did not say that.
Oh, no, she didn't say that.
What'd you say?
He gone.
Say here, come. Come on. Don't rush me, girl.
Goodbye. So Morgan is going. I'm staying here. So I want to go.
I'm not staying here. Where's my sweater at? My sweater upstairs?
So, I know the girls will be talking about me like, I'm so lazy he didn't come. I don't want to go with the girls. I'm a whole nother ginger. Oh, my phone's going dead. My cousin left, so I might like this end this video. Goodbye.